I'm Hitesh Hariramani, and welcome to one more session of 1000 must solve quant questions for CAT 2021. And this is one of my percentiles 99.97 in quant CAT 2018. Some very quick announcements for you. Every week we have for you scholarship tests. Candidates who are serious but are looking for some discounts or some prizes based upon their performance. Every alternate weekend it is Unacademy Combat. Every alternate weekend it is Unacademy Champions League. Based upon your performance, you are competing live with thousands of aspirants. You get your rank positive or negative based upon whether you answer the question correctly or you answer the question incorrectly. These are live ranks. This has never happened in the market or the industry, guys. Something absolutely new, something very motivating. So this is India's largest scholarship test for CAT. You'll be getting the leadership board immediately. As soon as one question is over, you get the leadership board. When is it happening? Tomorrow, when 12 noon. You'll have to register for this. You can use my code hari.h or you can use my code HIT CAT YT. Both are valid, whatever suits you. You need to get activated. You need to unlock this event. Now, 10% discount is applicable on all CAT plus subscriptions for a limited duration. In few days, these discounts are going away. So if you are serious about preparation, if you want structured approach, if you want PDF for every session, if you want doubt solving after every session, if you want regular quizzes beta, then plus is the place you need to be. And again, the code you can use is hit cat.yt YouTube, that is, or you can use the upper code, that is hari.h. Now, how does this differ from offline classes? But if you miss a lecture, you can repeat it a number of times. It is pre-recorded for you now. You can watch same lecture under different mentors. You can see how we teach, and whichever way you like, whichever approach you like, you can follow the particular mentor. These are the students who studied with Unacademy and have done beautifully well. They have done beautifully well in the exam. It could be you with us if you do well. This is the beauty of plus, guys. You go to offline classes, एक हफ्ते में एक बैच लॉन्च हो रही है, महीने में एक बैच लॉन्च हो रही है, वो बैच भी स्क्रैप हो रही है, बच्चे नहीं आए, whatever the reasons may be. Here we are launching for you every week 3 batches, 2 batches every week. We don't hide anything. These people will teach you. You can see their names, you can type their spellings in the Unacademy app, go to their profile, watch couple of sessions and then take the call. Even if you go to my profile, unacademy.com/@hari.h आपको ना 60 से ज्यादा आवर्स के तो फ्री लेक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे. इतने आवर्स में ऑफलाइन प्लेयर्स पूरा कोर्स ही खत्म कर देते हैं क्वांट का बेटा. इतने आवर्स आपको हम फ्री दे रहे हैं अंडर माय प्रोफाइल बेटा. सबकी प्रोफाइल में आपको बहुत लेक्चर्स मिलेंगे. गो वॉच, डिसाइड कौन सा बैच ज्वाइन करना है एंड देन ज्वाइन. अगेन यू आर बाउंड टू गेट 10% डिस्काउंट विथ माय कोड hari.h and hit cat.yt. ये प्रोफाइल है मेरी. मैं आपसे उधर पहले ही कह रहा था, एजुकेटर शुड अपीयर एंड क्लियर द एग्जाम. व्हाई नॉट, क्यों नहीं करें. तो बेटा I've been working since 2008, so 13 years I've been training students. For 5 years I was training faculties. For one of these players I worked with Career Forum, IMS I worked with Takshila, Time, Genesis Mentors, Career Launcher. For one of these players, the teachers in Nagpur, Pune, Ahmedabad and Nasik are sharing similar sort of methods that we have learned or I have shared. This is my Telegram group that I am currently mentoring personally, Hari_Hitesh. You can send questions, you can answer questions of others. It's a two-way communication, guys. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ promotions ही करूँगा मैं आपके बैच में. You can share questions also. Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/hari.h. मेथड्स काम करते बेटा, मेथड्स नहीं काम करते. So how can I score these percentiles? You can also apply these methods and score beautifully well in these exams. शुरू करते बेटा आपके लिए क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग. हाँ, अभी अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आई एम कंडक्टिंग 15 plus revision sessions for CET CMAT. All these sessions start with theory and then conclude with question. तो ये वही questions हैं. Even if you're targeting CAT and you're looking for free live sessions, you can join these sessions daily 11:30 to 12:30. I'll be live daily, morning, noon. Tomorrow I'll be live again from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock noon, and then 4:30 to 5:30. These are all live classes in which I'll cover theory and examples for these exams. So try this. You have 2 minutes time. Try this. I'm live for you through my laptop as well as through my mobile device. What is being asked in this question? What is being said? Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 64 centimeters. If base is 24 centimeters, what is area of the triangle? But in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So if I say this is the triangle in which these sides are equal, the unequal side by default is called base. That is the convention of isosceles triangles. This is base, this is 24. Perimeter means addition of all the sides. If the addition of sides is 64 and this is 24, that means these two are combined 40 and is isosceles. So individually they are 20 and 20. Now as soon as people see this, they go for the heroes or the heroines formula. आपके दिमाग में भी आ रहा होगा कि heroes और heroines formula से हो जाएगा. Don't do that. ऐसा मत करो. Whenever the adjacent sides are equal and you drop a perpendicular, बेटा that perpendicular equally divides the base. हमेशा नहीं होता है. Sides must be equal for this property to work. तो बेटा आपको altitude मिल गया, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल मिल गया और आपको बेस मिल गया. आपको खाली हाइट निकालना है. इसको वी डोंट सॉल्व इट थ्रू स्क्वायर्स एंड क्यूब्स, वी सॉल्व इट थ्रू प्रोपोर्शंस. देखो दिस इज अननोन, this is 20 and this is 12. So what is the ratio of 20 and 12? That is 5:3. So beta if the hypotenuse is 5 and the base is 3, the perpendicular has to be 4. That is a triplet, that is a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagoras triplet है ये. तो बेटा अगर ये 4 times है और ये 4 times है, this will also be 4 times. Every side will be in the same proportion. So this will be, for you this will be 16. So beta height is 16, base is 24. How do you find the area? Half of base into height. Cancelled 12 into 16, 192 centimeter square. This is how you approach questions in any exam. बेटा methods पहले से हमारे पास ready होने चाहिए. Idea here was altitude between equal sides is the median as well. पहला idea. Second idea is the Pythagorean triplet. ये अगर आपको और हमको पता है, we can easily answer this stuff. Let us try more questions. ये आपका 3-minute problem है ये. Be careful, 3 minutes. Whatever the theorem required, I'll cover it with the problem itself. One more reason I suggest you guys to move to an academy platform. On YouTube beta, we have the time limit of 15 to 20 minutes. It is not possible to deliver theory. These questions I have covered today in the afternoon slot from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock on the platform. Same questions with theory first. So theory being conducted is the key point there, and then questions. These questions we conduct in a timed manner. Timer chalta hai, clock chalta hai wahan pe. That puts you in pressure. Actual exam may be whether you take CAT or ZAT or IFT. This is separate, a different kind of psychological pressure because of the clock. Timer जो चलता है उससे pressure बनता है बेटा. So if you want to feel that pressure, come on an academy live. A property ये है, if I stand at vertex A, this length appears to be 1 and this length appears to be 2. So simply multiply 1 into 2. From vertex A, this complete length appears to be 3 and this complete length appears to be 3. So multiply 3 into 3. That is 2 by 9. What is this value? This is area of the triangle APQ upon area of the triangle ABC. So language. This portion is 2 out of total area 9 of the triangle. By symmetry, if you observe, do you see similar ratios here? Ye 1 and this is 2. The complete length is 3. So this will also be 2 out of 9 area. This will also be 2 out of 9 area. So what is going on? Actually, I'll respond better. What is going on here is that you have 9 portions total. Out of 9 portions, 6 portions are outside. 2, 2, 2. So what should be inside beta? The inside should be 3 out of 9, which is basically 1/3. So how much is 1/3 of 240? That is 80 square centimeters. 80 square centimeters is the area of PQR. But your question is, are questions tough or manipulated geometry section? But if you're targeting the exam CAT, ZAT, IFT, they are moderate or slightly higher level, not very much difficult. For exams like SNAP, CET, CMAT, they are very easy. What you are seeing on the screen is not at all difficult beta. This is not a difficult problem. There is slight lag between when I communicate with you and when you get to here. So when you hear this, I would have moved on to the next problem. So you have again 2 to 3 minutes. Let me solve this. In the triangle BED represents what percentage of the area of triangle ABC in the given figure. Given D divides BC in 2:3, that is drawn. E divides AD in the ratio 2:3, that is also drawn, that is also given to us. Now I want you to observe the difference between the previous example and this one. In the previous, there were horizontal lines between sides. This is a line from vertex. Line B is from vertex. थोड़ा सा approach अलग होता है. But in both we apply proportionality to answer. वो ऊपर जो आपने लगाया ना 2 into 1, that is proportionality. This also is proportionality. कैसे करते हैं? Step by step. Focus on one side of it. Focus only on one side of it. If this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is point D. So what you did here is you gave two units to the left and 3 to the right. I want to go to the right side because BED is on the right side. So right side is 2 parts out of 5. So right side, what is the triangle? Right side, the triangle is ABD. And 5 parts is the length of the complete triangle. So this ratio that you see is area of ABD upon the area of entire triangle ABC. That. Now let me go to the smaller side, smaller triangle. Do you see this line BE is coming from the vertex E? Idhar se aa raha. This is coming from here. So you focus only on the left hand side. Forget the right hand side diagram. Focus only on this part, this part, this part. This is upwards 2 and downwards 3. I want the downwards value. So do you see that length, the lower length is 3 and the complete length that it divides is 5. So what is that? That is the area of BED out of the area of ABD. This line you are drawing is inside ABD. So ABD will come, ABD will come in the denominator. The question was, BED is how many percent of ABC? Do you see if I multiply both? If I multiply both, what exactly happens is 3 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5 is equal to BED upon ABD multiplied by ABD upon ABC. Your job is done. This is 6 by 25. 6 by 25 is equal to BED upon ABC. So what exactly is this? But this is the percentage value. Now you make it 100 times. BED is how many percentage was the question. So this is 24 percentage. This kind of question you can expect in all kinds of exams, whether it is CAT, ZAPS, ZAT, SNAP, IFT, TISNAT, CMAT, CT, all kinds of exams. You are applying basic proportionalities. Understand, I have to teach, so I have to be detailed about this. आप थोड़ा और इसमें speed बढ़ा सकते थे. You don't have to write their names. You can visualize. ये 2 है, तो complete is 5, so 2 by 5 is there. You don't have to write their names. So you could have saved some time. So beta, again I'll explain you one thing. On this Unacademy profile, right now, that is unacademy.com/hari.h. I'm conducting for you more than 15 live sessions. Every session is of 1 hour. Right now, most of the students are asking for CET, CMAT revision. So the target are CET, CMAT, but theory will be there. In 1 hour, first 30-32 minutes will be theory, and then there will be 8 to 10 problems, moderate easy level. So if you're targeting 2021 exams, you can join me here. Daily 11:30 to 12:30, I'll be live for you. Theory and examples both. Furthermore, on Saturday, Sundays, I'm conducting extra lectures. Tomorrow, I'll be live for you from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. 4:30 to 5:30 with more sessions. So if you follow this profile, you'll get all these updates. You want to send me, but Ayush, your answer is correct. You want to send me doubts, you can send me doubts here, Hari_Hitesh. There's a Telegram group, I'm personally mentoring. और ये 2-way group है बेटा. Usually क्या होता है, सिर्फ ads आते हैं, join my lecture, कल ये परसों वो. No, you can post questions and I try to answer. अभी थोड़ा ट्रैफिक, बच्चे कम डाउट भेज रहे हैं, I see, बट जैसे कैट नजदीक आ गए, the volume increases. मॉक सॉल्विंग, मॉक के डाउट बेटा कोई नहीं सॉल्व करता. आप मार्केट में आप देखो बहुत टाइम लेते हैं सॉल्व करने मॉक. ओके, लिख के दे जाओ, नेक्स्ट वीक आओ, यहाँ भेज दो, बना देंगे आपके लिए. आस्क अराउट फीचर भी आपके पास प्लेटफॉर्म पे, आस्क अराउट अभी फ्री बच्चों के लिए भी आ चुका है. इवन इफ यू आर अ फ्री सब्सक्राइबर ऑन प्लेटफॉर्म, यू कैन यूज आस्क अराउट फीचर. एक बार ट्राई करो, एक बार बढ़िया फीचर है. सो डन फॉर द डे ऑन यूट्यूब. अभिषेक बेटा गुड इवनिंग. आई एम जस्ट अबाउट टू क्लोज सेशन. कुछ कहना सुनना है, कुछ पूछना तो बताओ बेटा. आई एम जस्ट अबाउट टू क्लोज सेशन. There is some lag between when I say and when you get to hear. Fine. All right. Done. Done. Done for the day.